Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. We're going to talk about these cryptos, Bitcoins, how you can get some free Satoshis today. We're going to do some BTC USD analysis. Let's go over this first. I'm not a robot. Got the link in the description. It's a faucet, so it's nothing major, nothing big deal, but you go in up to $200 on the hour every hour. It just depends on how persistent you are and how much you play. Goes by its own algorithm and etc. etc. You don't have to do it. This is just something I do. I don't have that much Satoshis as you can see. I used to play more often, but I rather trade. I rather just trade and just get it out the way. I don't know why it keeps making me do these street signs. I really hate it. This is why I stopped doing it, to be honest, because they have these, I don't know what you call it, capture things, and they're so annoying. They don't stop. Like, I spent 1 minute just doing this, like, annoying. But if you have that much free time and you have nothing else to do, you can get some free Satoshis, rack them up, stack them up, however you want to. I share mine so you'll make more than the regular. There's one of these videos where it should, oh, see, boom. Refer has given you, see, so boom, it's been added to my account. Look at that. Just like how I get shared, I share two. Look, go in this yourself. Some people will tell you, oh, well, they can just change it. Oh, yeah, that's so much skepticism. Alright, this is free. Like, well, this is free money. Why am I hoarding free money? I would be crazy on the internet not to share to get people to come. I'd rather have people come and then I'll take like my bread off of people signing up versus like this sharing stuff. Like, I just, boom, auto share 90%. I keep 10%. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I keep 10%. Someone told me to do 100, but I was like, that looks too extreme. So I put it to 90. It was at 80 at one point, but let's talk about Hextracoin a little bit. Once this total earn turns to $100, I'm gonna make a withdrawal, make a video of a withdrawal, because some people say that Hextracoin are not allowing withdrawals, but the loan for the last few days have been low. These lending platforms go through these phases. They go up and down, up and down. No, lending. I think it's lending. We can see how many days. I think it's been over like 2 months now, 3 months. I've been doing this extra coin, just making this passive income. So I have $9, so 9 plus 66. You can say what, $75. So I'm almost there. Soon, boom, 80 days, almost 3 months. So that really wasn't much. See what it is. But you don't have to do this. A lot of people got burnt out with the last lending platform. If you want to make your money, make it risk free. You just, yeah, I'll show you what I do to make it risk free before you even join. Don't even doing any of that. So let's go to our top down analysis. Let's go start off with the month. Do some price action. I don't want that. I just want to go to the time frame. All right, boom. Here we are at our monthly. These are my monthly indecision level, and the rest are weekly levels. And I think we just closed, or we just came and tested some weekly activities. Yep. For the month, we're by some weekly structure. They're not letting me zoom in anymore. Can't zoom in anymore. All right, time to go to the weekly. Since they won't let us. All right, cool. So this weekly candle can close over that and make this, woo! Oh my goodness, I'm happy. I am so happy. This, oh man, how do I see, this is what happens when your chart is cluttered. You shouldn't have a cluttered chart like mine's. Yours should be a lot neater. I don't know. The other day someone was like, Forex is like math when your teacher says, show your work. You know what I mean? A lot of traders don't really show their work because they like to hide their sauce. I don't really try to hide no sauce. I take, simple. This exhaustion right here, sellers were exhausted and buyers came back in the market. Like I told y'all, if that price came over this line, which it did, it looks like on the H4. Yeah, it closed over on the H4. Boom, that weekly key level right here. Boom, it closed over, and now we're just gonna wait, because this looks like a break of that neckline of that inverted head and shoulder I told y'all about. The last buy opportunity was over here, which I think I entered on. Yeah. I entered already. I'm gonna show you. You gotta watch through this whole video. 48. Show y'all. I'm long USD. I mean BTC USD. I'm long live. Just so y'all can see. Live. WOOBENS live. I'm live with it. Just doing my thing. Crypto broker. You can get your own crypto broker. There's plenty of them out there. I trade btcusd. I'm trying to add Ripple, but I gotta start monitoring Ripple, because the way Ripple works, there's people killing Ripple game. So there's someone I know made 44K in one day just trading Ripple. So the volatility is there. The skill set is just all you need, just spend some time on the chart, learn how to chart, learn how to use trend lines, learn how to use channels, learn how to, use market structure to your advantage. Because if I was paying attention and I had caught this setup, that would have been one setup, boom, would have secured the bag. That's already over, what was that? Boom. 400 pips. Another move. This move alone in this candle momentum came already like 100 pips. You feel me? Real quick. Boom, 100 pips. The market is pouring out pips when it comes to crypto. Crypto, you can get pips for like every few, who knows. But if you trade like off the bigger time and higher time frame like the H4, we can still use this Fibonacci that we have. We can go out and zoom out and then start looking at our take profit levels, because that's that right there. Boom. I'm gonna try to maintain this order. Like I said, I want to see price close above here. Probably put a stop profit over the neckline and just let this ride out, and then put my next stop profit around 12.5, let it ride out, see if we can make it to 13K. 14K, it's the ideal long position. So I might end up holding this for a couple days, couple weeks, who knows. It might even go down before it goes up. It's just market fluctuation. Right now, it seems to be hitting a resistance, because it can drop. Even where it's at, it can drop. It can test that area, make a evening star here, and just start falling. But like I said, we want to wait. I got a stop profit. I'm going to place around 600, maybe. Got to see how price, if it stabilizes. Price stabilizes, I'm going to put my stop profit around here. A little less than that. It's a little less where I want it. But yeah, that 600 area, I'm keeping an eye on it so I can maintain my order. Probably be the trade that I given y'all for the week. I'm getting attacked. Let's close this up real quick. Hextracoin, done with that. This is what I should do. Let's go check out some Ripple or another pair. Yes, yeah. When was the last time I did Ripple? February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. Ripple kind of like burnt me out. XRP USD is becoming a very, common pair to me. It's very volatile. Nigga, look at that. It could have, if you just entered just on that, you would have made money just off of patterns alone. You can make money off of crypto. You know how to use Japanese candlesticks? You can just, it would have been in the money. Would have saw this engulfing here, rolled this up, boom. Would have saw this engulfing right here, boom, would have rolled that up. Saw this engulfing here, boom, would have sold right here. You can make money while it's going up. You can make money while it's going down. That's the beauty of those, like, and like I told y'all, this market was sideways too. It's a sideways market. I wouldn't have traded. There's people that are more advanced than I am that are trading it. And congrats and kudos to them. You know, shout out to them, because to me, this is a sideways market. I don't know where they found. Oh, I see what they did. They waited. This was like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it rejected. Of course, eventually, you know, it would have shot up. But, you know, it's going sideways. Ripple on the beat is going sideways. So where it's at right now, it could do anything. It could be getting ready to go back up to $3. It can, you know, do its thing. So we just want to wait patiently. We see where price is at. Price is a beast right now. I want to do that. Boom. That's the cleanest buy opportunity. I was there for that setup. And now it's just a waiting game, really. You just want to wait. I want to wait because this area, I don't know if it's setting up for structure, if it's setting up to break, if it's going to go down. Because, you know, I really haven't been monitoring Ripple as much as I have btcusd. And the daily candle, we have daily engulfing over here. We don't know if that's going to hold up. Sellers seem to have a lot of momentum right now, so I would wait for the next few days. Me personally, if you about that, you can go ahead and trade Ripple. And if you see your setup, even based off the 1 hour, this looks like it's broken and came, tested, retested, and fell. So I don't know. Ripple's kind of interesting. I'm not the Ripple master. I have not mastered Ripple. We can talk btcusd all day. See, boom, like I told y'all, boom. This could come here and be complete rejection at the neckline and just drop. And they call these false breakouts. I'm in there. My stop profit, I didn't put it in yet, but it looks like it would have gotten hit. So I'm gonna put it like stop profit maybe. Well, my entry's 11,485. 11,485. So my entry's somewhere around here. Excuse me, around here. So I still have a lot of game room. I probably might make my stop profit around there, make it small, you know, and just let it ride out because I'm going to work soon, so I won't be able to pay attention to the trade. But it is a risk-free trade, more or less. Might make just $10, $5, $15, whichever one comes first. I should make it 15 to maximize my risk or minimize my risk and just see what happens. Because I think Bitcoin is getting ready to go back up to 15K. There might be a pullback. That's what I was trying to get at. There might be a pullback or a whole retest on the last engulfing structure, if I can find where I saw it at, because it was at around 11.5. Yeah, right here. Boom. Price might come test this area, this zone, before it actually shoots up to 15K. This was just me looking at the last previous support levels, because that's how the market works. It tests its levels and then it goes and does its thing. Right here, boom. This zone right here might get tested before it heads back up. So we're going to see. We're going to wait, play this out. And however the market treats us, we just react to it. And then we might possibly get a trendline break. If we get a trendline break, we know how that goes. If we get a break above this, we know we're buying. We get a break down here, you know what time it is. It's time to sell. And it's all right. Anything above this, we buy. Anything below this, we sell. All right. Trend line break, we might just wait for that. If we're selling or take profit, area ideal, you want to close in profit. Close your trade in profit. But ideal take profit 10.5, and if it breaks up to the upside, take profit 14K, 15K. But we're holding and maintaining our orders. Hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, ask, let me know. If you have your Sweatcoin address, put it on this video, and then the next video I'll just, announce the winner for the sweat coin. I'm doubling it up, so 200 sweat coins.